Recently, a lot of sellers have been asking me, should I make repairs before listing my home? The short answer is yes. While we're still in a seller's market, the truth is there aren't as many buyers as there were during the peak a few years ago. The good news is that buyers are still looking to purchase a home in this environment, are very serious about moving. However, due to the higher interest rates and home prices, your property needs to be in great condition to stand out. That's why today I'm sharing these 3 things that you can do to get your home in perfect market condition before selling. Number 1, have a pre-listing meeting. Meet with your agent before you list to go over all the repairs, which are really worth it. Not every fix is worth your hard-earned money. So invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition and net you a higher return on your investment. It might be worth it to pay for a pre-inspection before you list. This way you can find exactly what might turn buyers away and fix it before you hit the open market. And number 2, choose between cosmetic and maintenance repairs. Most repairs fall into one of those 2 categories, cosmetic repairs and maintenance repairs. Cosmetic repairs are usually optional, won't be a sticking point in negotiations. However, they can net you a higher return on your investment. High maintenance repairs take longer and require a larger investment, but they often fix major issues that need to be addressed if you want good offers from buyers. A good strategy likely involves doing some of each, so work with your realtor and find a balance that fits your needs. And number 3, proper repairs expand your buyer's pool. The condition of your home is the most important factor you can control when selling because it expands your buyer's pool. In today's market, there are fewer buyers due to the interest rates and higher home prices. However, you can still attract a lot of demand with the property that's in good condition. If you do the proper repairs, you'll have more offers coming in from better qualified buyers. Work closely with your agent to create a strong marketing strategy, and you might even create a bidding war and naturally drive up the price. I always recommend sellers do repairs before listing, but it's more important in this market than it ever has been before. If you're wondering which repairs are worth doing or want to discuss a pre-listing strategy, just give me a call or send me an email. I'd love to hear from you.